In the simplest sense, Nutrition Kitchen is taking care of our people. We surveyed our airmen and guardians asking their preferred learning method for nutrition. 80% desired a free online nutritional cooking class, and though we didn't have that resource available at the time, we were committed to create one from the ground up. Each step of the way, we asked our service members for feedback on important features of Nutrition Kitchen, and we incorporated each great idea provided. Nutrition Kitchen content is evidence-based, it's transparent, and it isn't trying to sell anything. It's also very specific. We've all seen the vague recommendations to diet and exercise more. I believe most will agree that isn't helpful when trying to learn how to optimize health through lifestyle changes. Recommendations need to be specific to be useful, and this program hits that target. We also face various demands on our time. So we recognized early that our recipes needed to be quick and simple. Nutrition Kitchen is one example of service-wide efforts to provide specific, actionable, cost-effective solutions to service members, regardless of rank. Most importantly, Nutrition Kitchen is fun, and I'm looking forward to the rollout of more episodes.
This is one of the few cooking shows that can apply to all members of our military, officers, enlisted, single, or families. The recipes are simple, require no fancy gadgets, and are often made with ingredients you already have at home. There are 3 different program levels that vary in nutritional values and complexity. Airmen and Guardians pick the Level 1 recipes. The recipes have been tested by both service members and families and are healthy and budget-friendly. Additionally, limits were set on kitchen equipment, cook time, and cost. Service members even participated in naming Nutrition Kitchen, as well as starring in our videos. This definitely would not have happened without our airmen and guardians.
Nutrition Kitchen is lifestyle medicine at its best. This program is evidence-based, but it also embraces the basics. Rather than jumping straight to performance-enhancing supplements or expensive medications, we focus first on the simple things that we do every day, like eating real food. Food has an enormous potential to harm or to heal, but it's surprising how infrequently we consider the types of foods we're eating every day. It's time to change that. It's time to empower the members of our military services to upgrade their nutrition by making choices that keep them ready for the mission and to improve their health.
Each of us has a mission to perform. Our mission is achieved when you meet your health goals, because without health, you aren't living your life to the fullest at work or at home. We have made it our priority to provide nutrition support on your terms. Now we pass the mission back to you. It's time to level up.